Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a good weekend, had a good St. Patrick's Day. Just gonna be doing a little quick review video. Um, Sorry I skipped last week, but let's hop back right into it. The week that we missed really accelerated the selling here. We could see on the daily, we extended really far out of the 21 moving average. If you follow the 4 hour, it played it perfectly, which we talked about on this way down. That you know, trade the chart with respect to levels and the moving averages, and every time we touch, we just completely declined or rejected. This brings us into last week, where we're starting to get some consolidation here. We're forming a little base. Um, we had CPI and PPI prints last week. The market reacted pretty good into them, um, but at around those times, there was some Trump tariff headlines coming out that just made us reject. Um, Coming into this week, we have a very eventful week. We have the VIX expiration on Tuesday that I saw online because I think has to do something with Good Friday. I didn't really read too into it, but it's just something what I saw. Usually they're on Wednesdays. FOMC is on Wednesday, and then at the end of the week we have the quarterly, monthly expirations. It's going to be the quad witching. On a week like this, I've come to notice that me personally, I don't really trade the best. I oftentimes lose more than I win, so I'm likely going to be sitting out, on the sidelines cash, unless I see something that to me looks like a golden trade that's yelling at me, hey, like let's pull the trigger on here. But for the most part, I think I'm going to be sitting sidelined. Um, it's never a bad thing to be sitting sidelined, especially when in times where you usually don't do too well. Um, there isn't going to be too many earning reports this week that are going to be moving the market. I think the only like noticeable ones, which is MU, FedEx, and I forgot what the other one was, but still, they're not going to be really moving the markets. Besides for FOMC, the data that we'll have will be unemployment claims, and then the Bank of Japan also has their federal rate announcement on the 18th. Um, so there should be some vol overnight trading with that. One last thing before I wrap it up really quick here is the one chart that we want to be looking at specifically during this week is the VIX. Last week we saw the VIX come down a bit as the market found some footing and tried to rally a bit. If you look at the daily here, we're about to be testing the 21-day moving average here. So this is going to be key to see if we slice through or if we reject it and the VIX goes back up. Um, so that'll be a good indicator to see, if you're in hot water, if you're long or not. On the 1 hour, things are looking better. They're curling down. So this is what you want to see if you want to be long, but still nothing here tells me that hey, the momentarily bottom is in. Um, so this is just one chart that we want to be looking at here. We're starting to enter key values here. 22, 21, 20. Still, as long as we're above 18, it can be some hot water. Um, but the big one is going to be obviously the FOMC on Wednesday, and along with whatever Trump tweets roll out. Um, so yeah, besides that, hope you guys have a good trading week, and good luck to all of you.